Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm partnering with AVVA Nails to bring you this bright and fun summery dip powder manicure, but I'm also going to be doing an awesome giveaway for 3 dip powder starter kits, so don't forget to stick around for that. Alright, let's get started. First, I'm going to apply the base, then dip into the powder. This color is a very bright pink called Sweet Ruby. I'll be sure to list everything I use down below in the description. Now I'm tapping off the excess a bit, then moving on to the other nails, except for my ring nail since that will be the accent nail. Then I'm going to brush off whatever's left on the nails. After the first layer, I wait about 1 minute, even though it does dry a lot faster than that, and then I'll repeat the same steps for the second layer. Also, you can use code HANNAH20 for 20% off your order at AVVA Nails. Link is down below. So for the accent nail, I'm going to first use a bright lime green for the first layer. This one is called Lime Time. Then for the second layer, I'll be using a sparkly green called Nature Kiss. And if you haven't already guessed, I was definitely inspired by watermelon for these colors. Now I'm applying the activator to all the nails. Next, I'm going to buff the nails to create a smooth surface. And finally, I'm applying the top coat. I'm going to do 2 layers, waiting about 1 minute in between. So that's it for this manicure. Now on to the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 3 starter dip powder kits in pink, and it's super easy to enter. Just make sure you're subscribed to my channel as well as AVVA Nails channel, then head over to AVVA Nails by following the link in the description to check out all of their dip powder colors. There's a ton of them, so when you find your favorite or favorites, come back here and leave a comment letting me know what they are. Winners will be randomly drawn on May 27th and contacted by me, plus posted on here. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching and good luck!